People are seeing the fire that is happening, but the smoke, bantwana baphuma embhedeni bazama ukuthola indlela yokuphuma but ababoni. Mama ba uyaqala uyahweletsa, uyaqala uyahweletsa. Uthi bantwana bami, listen to my voice. Bathi mama sikuboni. Uthi listen to my voice. God will put you in a position this morning that you need to listen to his voice. The book of the story, the author of the story, it says, listen to the voice. It's saying the mom is the navigator. The mom is the navigator. Ababoni, the seeking direction. Which one, listen to my voice. The only thing for the hands was improvement. But the reason if you go down with the smoke, the only thing that you need to do, you need to go down. What you need to go down. Saying that go down. When you go down, look and crawl. The reason as you think is that we're standing up for ourselves. The mother is saying, go down. Go down. Go down. The children are crawling as they hear the voice of the mother. You understand? You hear the voice of the Father of God when you're crawling down. You're stronger when you're down. When you're down on your knees, God is up to something. This morning, I'm inviting you, brothers and sisters. Genesis 16, verse 9.